Hi, my dear friends. Welcome back again. It's so nice to see you back again and stay connected to you. During my episodes of sharing with you, I had a viewer who came and visited me personally, and my experience was amazing with this viewer. She came up with her problem to ask for a solution, and after I heard her entire problem out, the only thing that I found is that today, in the family and in a situation of family, parents are trying to explain and not understand. My dear friends, I think it is a time that we take a step forward in understanding. We always tell our children, think about if you were in our shoes. But today, I would like to tell you that please turn around and step into their shoes. The times are changing. The world is changing now. They want to express the truth to you. But when they will express the truth to you? First, when you learn to respond and not react. That is the mistake that most of us are making. Not consciously, but unconsciously. Not knowing that we are doing this, but it's just on an automatic process of our nature. So my dear friends, it's time if we can just tune in from reaction to respond. You will see that your children does not need a counselor, but will speak the truth in the family and at home. And when they speak the truth, you as a family, a team, can solve something together, and that will create a deeper bond. Our relationships are not just like that. They are a real true gift. A gift that is given by the creation, and that is something we need to understand for ourselves. So my dear friends, my dear parents and viewers today, the first thing is, please learn to listen to the truth and don't react but respond to the truth. That's the most important thing. You will see your child will come up to say and speak the truth at home. The second most important thing, my dear parents, is that don't suppress desires. Certain times what we do is we kind of suppress the desires of the children. They are little wants, they're little understanding. Success is in big things, happiness is in small things. Success takes its own time and happiness takes no time. For example, success, having a big house for your children. Maybe you will achieve that and earn that when you're at 50s or 60s. But little things, little moment of happiness, a joy of smile, of just asking how are you, or a little thing like just getting her something back at home or getting him something back. I think these little things in relationship matters the most. You can have big cars, you can have a lot of big lands, you can have jewelry, you can have all the biggest and the richest things which are luxury of life, which is priceless for you. But my dear friends, tell me something, does that give all the happiness? I don't think so. Just pause and think to yourself, is materialistic wealth going to give you all the happiness? The child just wants 5 minutes of your time to play, wants just to sit beside and ask what has happened today. I think these little things, where are we missing on? If you as parents can learn to give little things, I think big problems can be just solved. But you'll end up giving big things with just little heart. And that's the challenge. Make your heart big. You love them. You want to give them all the comforts. But comfort is in comforting them first around you and surrounding you. The world is changing. We are all there in this sea of universe, and there are a lot of fishermen holding their rod and leaving a bait for us, and where and how and who knows when we come into their trap. express the word I love you. Tell them that you love them. Yes, words are important. Communication is important because communication is the only way humans can understand each other. Communication with humbleness, communication with love. And when they communicate, please, it's my request, all generations has to learn to understand in coexistence and harmony. That is the most primary thing. When we listen, we are only listening to explain, either them or either us. So today, I think it's time that we all just work a little bit on reparenting ourselves.